Making money online has become one of the easiest ways to make money in life. I can remember a few years back, before you could make money online, it was very difficult. Most of the social media platforms we have were not monetized. You can't monetize your content. Even if you want to work for a big organization or institution that is not in your country, there's a lot of processes, and to get those kind of jobs is quite difficult. But in today's world, making money online has become so easy, super easy, that you can do it from the comfort of your home without even leaving your bedroom. All you need is just your phone, your internet, and the right information. One of those ways to make money online is through cryptocurrency. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can make money online through Web3 jobs and where you can find these jobs. So if you've been in the Web3 ecosystem for a very long time and you don't know how to go about getting jobs in the Web3 ecosystem, I'm going to tell you secret places you can go and sort out for Web3 jobs and get them immediately. Also, I'm going to be telling you what you need to do and things you need to have to be able to get this job as soon as possible, so you don't need to waste your time, searching all the whole information on the internet. With this video, you're going to learn everything you need to do to position yourself for Web3 jobs and land them as soon as possible. So sit back and watch this video to the end to get all the information you need. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, do well to subscribe, like this video, and share with your family and friends. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. Do well to like this video and also share with your friends. Okay, so we're going to be diving into this video without so much talk. We know that making money online is super easy and super cool, because when the money starts coming into your bank account, the feeling is out of this world. So I'm going to tell you how you can do it in the Web3 space, where you can get those jobs and what you need to position yourself. Unlike other places where you can get jobs like Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, all those places are cool in getting every other kind of job, but in today's video, I'm going to be very specific with Web3 jobs, and I'm going to tell you that right place you need to go to get Web3 jobs. Okay, majority of what you see there is just Web3 jobs. All right, so that is what I'm going to share with you today. And the first place you can get Web3 jobs is web3.career. All right, so you can go online on your Google Chrome and type web3.career, and you're going to see a lot of Web3 jobs there. Different kind of Web3 jobs, from blockchain analysis, Web3 moderators, KOLs, all of that. You're going to see jobs like that there. All you need to do is to select your preferences and apply for them. If you are a Web3 KOL, Web3 ambassador, you can represent a project very well. You can help build their technical teams, their blockchain code, and all of that. You can get all those jobs in web3.career. So all you need to do is to go online, search for web3.career, and apply for your preferred Web3 job. Second place you can get Web3 jobs online is called cryptocurrencyjobs.com. Cryptocurrencyjobs.com is another place you can get Web3 jobs without so much hustle. All you need to do is to go online, search for cryptocurrencyjobs.com, and search for your preferred job and then apply for them. No much hustle. Okay, so the third place you can go online to get Web3 jobs is cryptojoblist.com. You can also get any Web3 job from this website I just mentioned. Now all you need to do is to check them out, then apply for your preferred jobs. The last but not the least place you can get Web3 jobs is remote3.co. Okay, when you go online, you search for remote3.co, and then you will see various job types in the Web3 ecosystem, and then you can apply for anyone you need. The last tip I'm going to be giving you is based on where you can find Web3 jobs, and you can find them early. Whenever you're looking for Web3 job and you really want to get it quicker without stress, it is best for you to look out for newly launched Web3 projects. These projects that are newly launched are actually looking for people to work for them, and so therefore it will be quite easier for you to get those jobs if you qualify for them. So the major places you can get new Web3 jobs that might be hiring is on Launchpad. So when you go to different Launchpads, you will see newly launched projects that are being listed every day. You can also get newly launched projects on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or any crypto analyzing platforms. This will make you see newly projects that are newly listed or newly launched, and you can actually position on them quickly to be able to get hired. So whenever I want to look for a Web3 job and I really want to get it quickly, I go to these platforms. I go to Launchpad. If I'm looking for a Solana based project, I go to Pump.fun. If I'm looking for BSC, I go to their Launchpad also, like PancakeSwap. That if you're looking for Unton, you can also go to their various Launchpad. These places you can find newly launched projects that are looking for people to hire, and once you get that project, you go into their community group like Discord or Telegram and start engaging there. You can actually pitch yourself, tell them this is what you do, that you can help them grow their project, and from there you can land a very good job in the Web3 space. This is what I usually do, and this has worked for a lot of people. So whenever you're looking for Web3 job, it's quite easy to go up around them. So you can can either go on all the sites that I've mentioned to you today, or you can use this last tip that I just pitched to you right now. So looking for Web3 jobs should not be a very big hustle. It should not be a very big thing for you. With the right information and the right knowledge, you can be able to get any Web3 job as soon as possible. Most of these jobs you're going to be applying for will be remote jobs. That is, you can be doing it from the comfort of your home. So there are basic things you need to do. There are basic things you need to have before you apply for these jobs. Most of the time, any project that wants to employ you would request for few things. So you need to have few of those things before they can be able to employ you. So I'm just going to quickly list few of those things you need to have. Sometimes they won't ask for much, but most times they're going to ask for few things to know that you are qualified for this job. And most importantly, the requirements are always based on the job type. So if you're applying for a blockchain expert, the requirements you need will be different from those applying for a community ambassadors or community moderator. So you need to make sure that whatsoever you want to apply for, you have the required documents, you have the required knowledge for it. Okay. So these are the things you need to have before you apply for job. Number one is the knowledge. You need to have the knowledge of what you're applying for. If you're applying for a blockchain expert, you need to have the knowledge. You need to be very, very grounded in blockchain. Also, you need certifications to be able to prove that you can do such a work. Also, you need proof of work. So most of the time, if you're applying for a project, they will ask you for proof of work. This simply means your experience. So anywhere you're working in Web3, make sure you always document your experiences, because most times you'll be asked what you've been doing. And sometimes you can also document your experiences in different social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, and GitHub. So anytime you're working with any project, whatsoever you're doing as a Web3 expert, make sure you always document your process, you always document your experience. All right, this can actually be your proof of work, because most times whenever I am applying for any Web3 jobs, they always ask for my social media handle like Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, to be able to know what I have been doing all this while. So make sure you always document your process on different social media platforms. This will be your proof of work. Okay, if you don't document on different social media platform, also have like a Google Doc where you document your process. Also, this is also very important. In case any of your social media handle is taken down or deactivated, your Google Doc can always serve as a backup plan. So make sure you document your process and you keep them safely. With all that said, landing a Web3 job should be very, very easy for you. This shouldn't cause you so much hustle or so much stress. With the right knowledge, which I have just told you here right now, you should be able to land a Web3 job in days. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, you turn on post notification, and you also share with your family and friends so that they can also get this information. Until my next video, thank you so much for watching.